Alright, last night didn't get a Jew. So this man right here is going to get me the Jew. We couldn't get one land-based, so we're taking out the boat. Got young man little here, got cousin here. We are going to do it. We are going to get the Jews tonight. Inshallah, we do. Okay, rods. I'm going to take out my Saragossa. I want to see that thing go off. Anyway guys, I'm here. Let's do some fishing. There he is. Boat's in there. Let's do this. What the fuck's this guy doing? It's a bit sad, I think. You alright, champ? You need a hand? What? You alright? Yeah.
You're recording? Who are you recording for? What'd your girlfriend?
No, what girlfriends? Never get a girlfriend.
Huh?
Never get a girlfriend, only fish.
Yeah, fly out.
Alright, here we go.
You struggle with both.
Yeah, a bit. Here we are. We're docking in at Rogues. And we're heading off.
It's raining.
Get better quality on the phone than you do.
What, are you gonna edit it?
I don't really edit it much. I just put it all together,
What
nothing fancy.
What do you used to edit?
Just the phone. Just come and we'll jump on. Huh? That's it. Yallah. I want that to scream tonight. I want that to scream tonight. Voice command. Alright, we're just going to set this right up now.
Voice command. Are you recording?
Yep. So I'm just doing a... Someone's having a party over there. Alright, just doing a single, so that can't go past there. I don't want any kind of flying through the water, just enough for that. And then I've got 50-pound. Where's my hook? Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? There it is. Got a size 7. Oh my god! Are you serious? Oh my god, that's going to be later's job. Anyway, got a 2-rig setup, 2 hooks on a sliding sinker. Let's do this. This bait, that's what you get when you come to hook, bait and tackle. You don't have to go catch your bait, you just come to the shop and pick up your bait. So what I'm going to do is going to put one through the body, one through the head. Is that preferred here, cousin?
Yep. That's right.
Just like that. So you got through the body, one through the head. And we're going to set this down with those green eyes. Beautiful. Hook, bait and tackle guys, you want some nice fresh baits like this? Come and see us every Friday. Soon to be maybe Wednesdays. But that's where you get your baits from. You spat the hooks.
Huh?
Spat the hooks.
It's gone?
Yep. Fuck it.
You want me to delete it?
It's
me, bro. It's me. It's me. I'm
It is you, bro. Well up to you. Whoa.
It's a big one.
Come on, Phil.
You need ice cream, please, Michael? Oh, there's someone?
Oh no, the battery went dead.
It's alright, I got it.
Yeah, well,
Huh?
as soon as
Sorry.
I used to get one.
Fuck, my battery. You on my phone?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
You want to record?
Come on, fair. You are, bro.
Show me it.
Oh, sorry. I need to get the net.
You can't.
Mick can get it.
You want to get the
My
net?
line, you want me to move my lines?
Bring him around this way so you can let him.
Wait, you don't have any got, you got the lines. Go that way? Yeah.
There you go.
I'll pick up I'll get the net for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jewy, Jewy, Jewy.
That's a big one.
You right, Habibi?
Bring it closer.
Alright, he's in. This is not AKA, it's hooked. It's hooked tonight. Beautiful. Good boy. First one for tonight. We'll give it a safe release. Look at that beautiful specimen.
Hooked. BT Fishing Adventures, guys, with AKA.
That's it. We're just missing one guy.
And gone.
See it, buddy. Beautiful. That's one for the boat. What do you got, cousin?
Luke Felsen.
Huh?
What do you got? Something small, brim?
Yeah. Probably a catfish or a brim. Doesn't feel like a catfish.
Probably a nice size.
Ooh, that's a nice brim. That's a really nice brim. Wow. Bring it up, give us a look. What a brim. What a brim, okay. Beautiful. He took a, what he took a 6 or 7
6-0.
6 greedy bastard. So that's one Jewy, one nice size brim. But we're not here to eat them tonight. We're here to catch them with these. That's how we do it at Hooked. And he's on again. Again, why aren't you touching my rod? I think it's a nice
Fresh
brim.
thing over here.
We're just talking about God.
Little soapy.
God and Jesus and Mary and the prophets. And look what happened. We got a fish. What is that?
Whiting.
Is it whiting? Wow!
Squid.
A whole squid, guys. Wow! What a whiting! Wow!
Look at that chomped.
It's a big one.
Good boy! Wow! It took a 6-0 hook. Wow!
Little release.
You're the man, brother. You are the man. Look at that. Wow. Look at this flying saucer. This guy has more lights than a Christmas tree. How's that for a boat? What the fuck is that? You can still see him a mile away. My Christmas tree, my Christmas tree. Oh, still going. Fuck, man. You gotta go power. Is it still on?
GoPro, turn on. How does this work?
Alright, I'll send it to you. Bloody GoPros. There we go. So start recording.
GoPro, start recording. There we go.
Oh yeah. This is the man right here. Oh, you got everyone's line. Doesn't matter. Oh, silver slab. Silver slab.
I have to come around to get it over here.
Well, look at him. He even gets it untangled. What a legend. Yeah. He even gets it untangled. That's what you call a fisherman. That's what, look at that, that's what you call a fisherman. Animal.
Yeah. You sure?
Second one for tonight. I've actually lost 2. He's going to be starting a YouTube channel, guys. He's been fishing for 20 years, had his own bait and tackle shop. A gentleman, absolute gentleman, and he knows his shit. He really does, guys. And what have you confirmed your YouTube yet?
Yeah.
What's it going to be?
Hooked BT Fishing Adventures.
Hooked BT Fishing Adventures. Is that stuck? Is that definitely it?
Yep.
Okay, that's his name, guys. Hooked BT Fishing Adventures. And here we'll show you how to catch fish. Hang on. Best way to do it is get them straight away back in the water. Look at that. Come on, son. Take off. Let's get a bit of air in there. See the water currents going through his gills. And I'll take off in a second. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Good work, cousin. Good work.
Get the baits out there and
Yep.
give it another crack.
That's it, mate. Still here, guys. Hopefully we'll get another few more. AKA Junior Hooked BT1. Yeah. A catfish!
I knew
He caught a cat! His dad said to him, you know what? He's gonna catch a catfish. You know,
Why?
You don't want to touch that, mate. That will just like
I was getting a bit.
Guys, if you ever catch this fish, it's a catfish.
Yeah, I really didn't.
Severe pain. I suggest not even touching it. Like, so don't get it near me. Catfish. They got, I don't know where they sting you from. Where do they sting you from?
From the little whiskers.
It's got a barb on the back.
Okay, a barb.
Barb on the back.
Yeah.
Isn't that where? I thought that's where.
You don't want to get stung by them. 8 pound, 6 pound. I knew it would take this light gear. I knew it would take this light gear. I've only got 6 pound on this puppy. I knew it would take this light gear. Bloody hell. Oh!
Get it busted off.
Oh! No! No!
Oh, I'm angry.
Tell him what happened, Michael. Tell him.
Oh!
That's a
Boy!
What were you running?
If the hook's still there, I'm gonna be. Yep, the hook's still there.
What were you running? Let him know what you were running.
I was running 8 pound on a 6 pound leader, but I don't know how the hook popped. I really don't know how this hook got off. Wow.
Michael
Okay.
just dropped the dewy.
Again. What is this? What is this? Oh, ugly catfish. Oh, I hate them. But they're still God's creatures.
Where's those boys, bro?
These long ass motherfuckers right here. They need some fucking. Don't get fucking hit by it. Fucking dog. Finally got a fish. Hey, it's a nice whiting, bro.
Yeah.
Yep. It's a nice whiting. It's a nice whiting. I think it's a whiting. Feels like a whiting. Yep. Oh, it's a catfish. Oh,
He got catfished.
oh, no. Did you see that?
Freaking dead, bro.
Fuck.
They flick up, huh? Careful.
Finally got a bit of action on the worm. Please be not another catfish, because I will be... No, it's not a catfish. Bro, they're hitting all your rods. I took his rod, and now they're hitting on his rod. Love it, but I don't care. I love it. Please be a nice whiting. Not another catfish.
Gonna do with the cat man.
Oh no. No. Guys, it's not my day today. It really isn't. You spat the hooks.
Huh?
Spat the hooks.
It's gone.
Yep. It's on again. Again, why aren't you touching my rod? I think it's nice.
Professional
Brim.
singer over here.
We're just talking about God.
Little soapy.
God and Jesus and Mary and the prophets. And look what happened. We got a fish. What is that?
Whiting.
Is it whiting?
Whiting.
Wow!
Squid.
A whole squid, guys. Wow! What a whiting! Wow!
Look what it chomped.
It's a big one.
Good boy! Wow! It took a 6-0 hook. Wow!
Little release.
You're the